Hello friends, you all are welcomed in Philosophical Knowledge channel of UPSC exam. Next topic is 16. It is theory of causation or Arambhavad or Asatkarjavad, propounded by Nyaya philosophy. Theory of causation is very important doctrine of Indian philosophy as well as scientific foundations. There are two important kinds of theory of causation known as Satkarjavad and Asatkarjavad. Sankhya and Vedanta are followers of Satkarjavad, according to which effect remains in the cause before its emergence. Nyaya is Asatkarjavadi. According to this doctrine, effect is non-existent in cause before its emergence. This doctrine is also known as Asatkarjavad because effect is always new emergence. Metaphysical cause creates new effect from material cause and becomes detached from the effect. To propound this concept, Nyaya explains the characteristics of cause, which are as follows. Cause is antecedent and effect is consequent cause, always comes before effect. Point 2, cause is invariable. Point 3, it is immediate, remote cause cannot be cause of a particular effect. Fourth, certain effect has certain cause, so plurality of causes is false. Nyaya's theory of causation is like that of Mill's causations. Mill is a very profound philosopher in Western culture. There are three types of causes according to Nyaya. First is Upadan or Samvai cause or material cause. Second is Asamvai cause or relative cause, Nimit Karan or metaphysical cause. Upadan Karan, matters by which effect takes place are material cause, as soil is cause of pot. Asamvai Karan, it is a qualitative relation of matter by which an effect takes place, like relation of particles of soil, which is helpful to produce pot. Nimit Karan, cause which produces effect with the help of Samvai and Asamvai Karan, but is not distributed in the effect, as watchmaker is Nimit Karan in the production of watch. In Tark Bhasha, cause is clearly described. Listen this Sutra Vakya, Anitha Siddh, Riyat Purn, Niyat Purn, Bhavitvam, Karanatvam. Anything which is invariable antecedent but cannot be cause. This is Anitha Siddh, has five kinds. First is quality of cause. In Anitha Siddh, as colors of machine is making clothes. Cause of cause is Anitha Siddh, as in the production of watch, father of watchmaker. Immediate antecedent may be Anitha Siddh, as sound of machine is not the cause of production of clothes. In context of production of clothes, vehicles carrying raw material are Anitha Siddh. Space and other substances are Anitha Siddh. This is complete description of causation propounded by Nyaya philosophy. Its criticism depends on Satkarjavad. Explanation of Satkarjavad is the criticism of Satkarjavad. Satkarjavad is propounded by Sankhya theory, which is very important theory. I will come later in the audio. Okay, friends, thank you. Study it, and you can get perfect knowledge about the theory of causation. Okay, friends, thank you. Meet in next video.